Hi, Laura and Jasmine. This is Dr. Atkins. I saw your discussion about the how challenging it can be to write learning objectives, and I just want to let you know that I feel your pain. It was definitely something that I struggled with when I first started out teaching, and while I would love to say I have mastered it, it definitely has gotten easier. But there is times as you struggle trying to figure out the best word or measurable verbs to use to ensure that you are basically writing objectives so that students are working towards the standards that you want. And so I wanted to show you this Bloom's taxonomy wheel that I always found very helpful. So here you can see the 6 different levels of thinking based on Bloom's, and starting with remembering, that is the lowest level of thinking, and then you get to understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and then creating. So when you figure out, okay, I want my students simply to be able to remember something, so you'll go here to remember, and then here are some measurable terms that you can use when you're writing your objective. And then what I love about this wheel is that it provides you some ideas on activities that would align with remembering. And the same goes for understanding. Here are the different measurable terms or verbs you can use for your objective, and then some ideas on how they would show what they have learned based on your objectives. So these might be the activities that you have them do to show their performance, and it just keeps going around in the same manner. Now there are a whole if you do a Google search for Bloom's verbs, you'll come up with a whole bunch of different resources. I always found that this one works pretty well, but if you're looking for more types of verbs, you can always do that Google search. I hope you find that helpful, and know that you're in good company, and in time and with practice, they will become much easier to write. Hope you guys are having a good one, and see you in the discussions.